5 days of my journey of making 100k as a 16-year-old. These days are really impressive. I hadn't time to cut every day because I've launched a new Shopify store and I'm printing money with it. I can tell you at the moment 500 euros on ads, and you don't want to miss this. So watch my video, follow my journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my Discord server, because later on there will come real one-on-one guides how I've made this store. A little spoiler, a bit in the future. Today I've made around about 500 euros with the store, so you don't want to miss this. Have fun with the video. Welcome to another day of my life. At the moment I'm showing someone in Discord how to make the videos I make for my jewelry brand account I'm making money with, so I can automate this and focus more on collaborations. So collaborations are key in brands like jewelry, not just normal drop shipping. I wouldn't say that their collaborations are the best thing to do. They are good if you are paying them on commission, so commission based, so they get a code or a link, and if someone buys with their link, they get like 20% if you make enough with the product. So if you sell it for 20 euros and you pay 5 for it, you will get less money for you, obviously. But to scale up your business and make the next step in your e-commerce business, I would recommend you to do that. So if you haven't done that yet for your e-com brand, if you have one, do that right now. See you later when I have something to say. Today is Monday, by the way, and I already was in school and did everything I need to do for school and stuff. Yes. By the way, I'm trying to work more on my YouTube, so I've watched a few videos on how to max out my videos and make everything better for you, so you will regret if you don't subscribe and follow my journey. Today I already was in school, so that is done. I've already started working on my YouTube video. It's a more cinematic video where I show my whole day, so watch it after this video if you want. Today I want to launch another e-commerce brand, so I found this good product for drop shipping and I just wanted to start now. I will only gain. So if you have something in mind, just do it. Before I started this YouTube channel, I thought about it 2 days, and I've started not because my hair was bad. So just take action and do the stuff you always wanted to do. It will bring you back if you don't do it. So if you start today, you will be the man you want to be or the woman you want to be in 1 year. So I can just tell you to start today. Like I said, I want to start the e-com brand with ads and the store build, and I haven't started yet, and it's like 5 p.m. so I have a lot to do, but it will be worth it. And I have to study a bit for a biology test tomorrow in school, but this will work out in some way, so I will do some little pauses and just like work on the test and just like study in this time. Big plans for today, and let's get straight to work. I'll talk to you later. Okay, what's up? I haven't learned till now. I think I should do it because it's 9 p.m. so probably should start learning, but I'm looking for the product at the moment. I've already cut it a banger, a full day of my life with cinematics and everything. At the moment I'm searching the product around a dropship and start a store, but I don't really find the one, but a lot of stores have it, so I don't know if the product is really that good because it's really saturated. So let's see if I do it or not. And yes, okay guys, I haven't found the product. I don't know how everyone finds it. I was on every platform. I was on everyone, Alibaba, AliExpress, all agents. I don't know, probably give me some tips how to find every product. Oh, very blue. Interesting. I will now go to sleep and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow probably I will be more productive and I will start with the shop. Yes, see you. I'm jogging at the moment and I will continue this round. After that I will build my Shopify store for my another e-commerce brand, and see you later. I forgot to talk to you because I was concentrated on the store the whole time, so this jogging session was nice. Not a working session nice either. I'm working the whole time. I think it's done now. I will now launch the ads and let's see how it goes. This is another day of my journey of making 100k as a 16-year-old. I already was in school, so that is done. First of all, thank you for your big support. We gained like 60 subscribers in the last 2 days. I'm really happy, so really thank you. I just had sports and we had like tests, so running, sprinting and everything, and now I will launch the ads. Like I told you yesterday, I've built an e-commerce store completely from scratch yesterday, and today I will launch the ads, and I'm probably biggest fail or biggest win. I can't tell you, but I think, wait up, my PC on, but I don't think it's something in between. I'm hyped. I'm really hyped. I will now launch that. Today in school I tried to figure something up with the Pixel, but the Pixel had problems for like 1.5 hours. That was not nice, and I tried to fix it now. Wish me luck and let's go. Guys, I can't do this anymore. TikTok is really fucking me up. I have a problem which is not from my side, it's from TikTok. It's like my Pixel isn't displayed there. I googled everything, I tried everything, but nothing is working. I tried it since 5 hours, really 5 hours. I tried it in school too and nothing is working. I could have my first sale now, or I could have already made 1K. I didn't edit a YouTube video in a few days because I'm working on this and I thought it will be done, but I'm so mad right now. What the fuck. We just launched the ad and I did a bit workaround how to get it, but the split test doesn't work. I spent 50 euros on a single ad. I hope we get the first sale today and let's go. Today I already was in school, so that is done, and I just made a sale. The last 2 days I've worked on a shop. Now the first sale. At the moment we are break even, but we have ad spend, to be honest. Plans for tomorrow are making 1K with the store. So we will now launch a lot of new ads and do more split testing, so we can reach 1K as fast as possible with the store. I'm so hyped because we went so fast and hard work pays off, so just do it. We had the idea, we made, now we have our first 70 euros, so let's go. Sorry for not really talking to you again. Like, I'm not really doing that much for my YouTube in the last days, even though I'm getting a lot of views, and thank you for all the support. But I've made 2 sales today, so 140 euros. It's very nice because I launched the store today. I'm trying to scale it up to 1K days tomorrow. A little bit. If it's possible, well, I will make a big vlog, and yes, see you.